Welcome to the Penrith Solar Centre Solar Academy. Today we're going to be talking about the Tesla Powerwall. We're going to be exploring the costs. We'll discuss the pricing included, installation costs, and what impacts them. And lastly, we'll be assessing if the Powerwall is actually worth it. Let's talk about the cost of a Tesla Powerwall 2. Now, a common misconception is that the Tesla Powerwall 2 is actually quite an expensive battery. The Powerwall 2 is actually one of the cheapest batteries on the market when you work out dollar per watt. Now, what do I mean by dollar per watt? Well, at Penrith Solar Centre, you'll get a Tesla Powerwall fully installed from $14,500, including GST, including parts, and including labour. Now, we will charge a little extra if you have a three-phase house or if there are major switchboard modifications that are needed to your home. So you take that $14,500 and you divide it by the 13.5 kilowatt hours, and that's how you get the dollar per watt. The Powerwall, fully installed at just over $1 per watt, is actually incredible value. Why does the cost of a Tesla Powerwall 2 vary from installer to installer? So the variations aren't necessarily on the cost of the battery. The variations are certainly on the installation costs. Does the solar company who's installing my Powerwall use in-house installation crews or subcontractors? There'll also be a variation in whether you want to stack the batteries using a Tesla genuine stacker kit, or if you're going to mount the batteries across your wall. There are different installation techniques as well. Is the company using galvanized dynabolts, or are they trying to screw it to the wall with screws? At Penrith Solar Centre, if you have a brick wall, we will always go the dynabolt option. In fact, we will always go the extra mile at all steps with our Tesla Powerwall 2 installs. That is where you're going to get price deviations. What is the lifespan of a Tesla Powerwall 2? Well, firstly, what actually impacts the lifespan of a Powerwall are, of course, temperature, the amount of cycles and charge and discharge rates of your battery, the depth of discharge that you charge and discharge your battery to each day. And some of the other things that can affect the lifespan are as if you sign up to a virtual power plant, or VPP as we call them, this could actually reduce the warranty of your Powerwall. Now, there's a flip side to that. If you go on Tesla's virtual power plant, your warranty will actually be extended from 10 years to 15 years, which gives me pretty good peace of mind that most Powerwalls, although warranted for 10 years, will definitely see the 15-year mark. Now, this doesn't mean that the battery will be at 100% until year 10 or 15. In fact, the Tesla warranty document says that at year 10, your Powerwall must be able to hold 70% capacity. Now, if you get to year 7 and your battery holds 80% capacity, it's not a linear warranty. So it must hit that 70% threshold, then Tesla will replace your battery at no charge to you. Is the Tesla Powerwall 2 worth it? My opinion is somewhat biased because I have Powerwalls on my own home and I feel like I made a great decision. My home is blackout proof. I use my own energy at all times, and I'm living the electric lifestyle and practicing what I preach. So I think they're totally worth it. But you need to make that decision for yourself and your family. And some of the things that'll impact that decision are, do you have a suitable wall space for the Tesla Powerwall 2? Do you think the financial return of a Powerwall 2 is actually good enough? Do you value energy security? And have you checked out Tesla's great monitoring app that'll show you what your house is producing, storing, and consuming at all times? Once you've gone through that little checklist, I think you'll know the answer to whether the Tesla Powerwall 2 is the right battery for your home. If you want to learn more today about the Tesla Powerwall 2 or any other products that we sell at Penrith Solar Centre, check out the rest of our articles. There are a ton of great videos and articles about all products, installation methods. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'm Jake from Penrith Solar Centre. We'll see you on the next one.